What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2026 Genesis G70 2.5T Prestige. This vehicle is powered by a 2.5 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder with 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So the other day I made a video on the 3.3T Prestige Graphite, which is like the highest trim. So this one is a more affordable version of the G70 with a smaller engine. So I'm interested to see how these two compare in terms of driving experience and everything like that. As I mentioned before, I haven't driven a G70 in a long time. Before that 3.3T I made a video on the other day. And basically these are just like this was always like the more luxurious version of the Kia Stinger. So if you want, and the Kia Stinger was obviously discontinued a couple years ago, so if you're interested in a Kia Stinger driving experience with a more luxurious feeling, the G70 is a way to go, and these are obviously still sold new, which is nice. So yeah, a pretty easy to use screen. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and reverse camera with 360 view, which is also nice. Drive mode selectors down here. You have Sport Plus, which also turns off the traction control. Nice black leather seats, and you can also move the seats forward and back with this button right here, which is not a feature you really see on sports sedans. That's interesting. That's usually on like big luxury sedans. You also have a Lexicon sound system, and this interior looks a lot different than other Genesis vehicles because this is of course like the older design from Genesis interiors, because the G70 design has been out for a really long time. It's just been facelifted multiple times. Yeah, this one has like a fixed cluster with the screen as well. It's like a half screen and half fixed cluster, the tachometer, because I believe only the 3.3T has like the full digital gauge cluster with the 3D effect. But anyways, let's walk around this G70 and we'll take it out on the road. And also it has heated seats, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel, which is very nice. So 2026 G70 2.5T Prestige, $52,755. Total price on the window sticker, 23 miles per gallon combined, 20 city, 28 highway. This exterior is called Vic Black, and the interior is Obsidian Black. You have some nice looking wheels with Brembo brakes, which is nice. I like how a lot of all the Genesis cars have like nice brakes, whether it's Brembos or regular brakes which say Genesis on them. Good looking sedan. You also have Michelin tires, Primacy Tour all seasons. The rear legroom's a little bit cramped for sure because it is a compact sedan, but smaller adults and children can easily fit back there. You have a 4-wheel drive. This one's a 4-wheel drive. You have dual outlet exhaust. Here's the trunk. But anyways, let's get this Genesis out on the road now. And the Genesis experience gives you 3 years of complimentary service and valet, which is nice. It's always a great thing to have. And this also has a nice turn signal cameras, which is good. So yeah, acceleration is pretty good. Obviously you can feel a big difference between this and the 3.3T. That car just like kind of rockets off the line, has like a roughly 4.5 seconds 0 to 60. This one feels more so in the low 5-second range, just by feel. But it is definitely quick, especially in the Sport Plus mode. this car is basically like in relation to the Stinger, it's like the Kia Stinger GT line, and then the GT is like the 3.3T Prestige, essentially. Okay, so it looks like on this car, obviously you have the fixed gauge, so it shows you the turn signal camera on the right side, which is cool. I love that. I love the turn signal cameras. They're so useful. Nice cornering. Steering feels really good, and since it's such a small sedan, it feels very nimble. And also I like the way the suspension feels too. It's nice and sporty. The brakes feel great as well. Of course, they're Brembos, so that's no surprise. Really nice stopping power in this vehicle. And one thing I noticed is the 3.3T Prestige I drove had a leather horn pad. This one has a plastic horn pad. And for a 4-cylinder, this vehicle sounds pretty good. One thing I noticed is all these Genesis cars, even the Ford, whether it's a 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder, all the engines sound quite good. So that's nice. But anyways, we have now returned to Grubb's Genesis of Grapevine. So let's conclude today's video on this 2026 Genesis G70 2.5T Prestige. Overall, very nice driving experience, nice car. Personally, I would upgrade to the 3.3T because it just has so much more. It has so much more power, and it's just a lot faster. But this car is also quite fast as well. Very nice driving experience. But thank you as always for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Genesis Grapevine in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own new Genesis vehicle.